Hello, everybody. This is Peter coming to you again from Sao Paulo, Brazil. Today, we are here for another easy, quick English tip, and that is pronouncing the alphabet. Many languages use the same alphabet as English, but the pronunciation of the letters can be different in country to country. So, we're going to help you navigate that and teach you some basic phonetics that will come useful in remembering pronunciation of a number of other words as well. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So the first phonetic sound we're going to learn here is what I call the train sound, and that is pronounced A, just like the letter H. There are four letters in the alphabet that are pronounced with this sound. One is obviously the letter A, train. Another is H, train, H. And there are two more. Look at the letters in the bottom here and see if you can guess what the other two letters are that are pronounced with the train sound. All right, if you haven't figured it out, it's easy enough just to say the letters. So our first letter is E, train. No, that's not a match. G, train. No. J, train. See the similarities? A, H, J. And our next letter is K, train. Also a match. Train, A, H, J, K. Our next sound is the tree sound. E, tree. Now this one is pretty easy. There are 7 letters in the alphabet that use the tree sound. Listen closely. They are B, C, D, P, T, and V. What's the missing letter? If you look at the letters down here, I'm sure it's pretty easy to guess that it is the letter E, because that is actually the sound. Tree, E, B, C, D, E, P, T, and V. Next is the egg sound, and I call it the egg sound because the sound is eh. And yes, this is used in a number of English letters, such as F, egg, E, L, N, S. And this last letter here, in most countries, English-speaking countries that is, this letter is pronounced Z. Americans pronounce it Z, but I am Canadian, this is pronounced Z. So, what are our missing letters here? Let's go through them and see which ones match the egg sound. We have E, M. So yes, this is the egg sound. F, L, M. O, no. R, no. Q, no. X, X. S, egg, Z, X. So yes, X also has the egg sound. Easy to remember, it's like the X-Men. All right, this is the bike sound because it is pronounced like the letter I, bike, I. There are only two letters in the alphabet that have the bike sound. Which one of these five are they? This may be difficult, so let's say the letters together. O, no. R, no. Q, no. X, we already know is egg. This letter is pronounced Y, Y. I, bike, Y, just like the question word. This is the phone sound, and there is only one letter in the alphabet with this sound. Which of these four is it? Well, it's the one whose name makes the sound. O, O, phone. Then we have the boot sound. The boot sound is pronounced like ooh, ooh, like you just saw something really cool. There are three letters with this sound. They are U and W. Which of these two letters makes that sound? The first letter can be a little difficult for people of some languages to pronounce because it has different pronunciations in different languages, but that is pronounced Q, Q, just like boot, boot, Q, U, and W. And the last sound is what we call the car sound, which is pronounced just like the letter R, which is the only letter in the alphabet that uses this phonetic sound. So there you go. There is your guide to pronouncing your ABCs. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you again just as soon as I am able. Thank you for your time.